By the prosecution and the response by the counsel of the accused. The issue in question is one, the right to bail bond. The prosecution has indicated that there are several complainants raising similar complaints as the one the accused is facing today. He consequently objects to granting of a cash bail unless a pre-bail report is filed. Counsel for the accused, however, while stating the rights of the accused, being that of bail bond, states that the accused is a public officer and is not a flight risk, and his place of abode is unknown. He prays that the court issues a bond terms commensurate to the charges. I find nothing unique in this case, save for the alleged many complaints whose complainants are not on record. I don't see a compelling reason tendered to deny the accused his right to bail bond. If at all there are numerous similar complainants, they ought to be investigated and charges preferred against the accused. As for this matter, based on the charges on record, the accused is granted a bond of 100,000 shillings with one surety, or a cash bail of 50,000 shillings with one contact person.
Person in bond is a constitutional right unless there are compelling reasons as to why he or she should not be granted bond, and none of what my learned brother has told you is a compelling reason. I had hoped that my learned brother would have got at least, at the very least, an affidavit by an investigating officer outlining and listing the complainants, or even attaching those so-called warrants of arrest for your benefit. There is nothing, Your Honor, that my brother has annexed other than trying to submit from the bar, and it's my humble submission, Your Honor, that my learned brother's evidence from the bar should be disregarded. The accused, Your Honor, is a member of County Assembly whose offices are 100 meters from this courtroom. He reports to work dutifully every day so that he is not a flight risk. The submission by my brother that a pre-bail report be furnished to you before you make a decision on his release on bond is malicious, Your Honor, made in bad faith, and actually meant to, is an application meant to deny the accused bond from the bank. The sums lost, Your Honor, are indicated in the charge sheet. They are 183, 400, and 70,000. Do grant the accused, Your Honor, cash bail and or bond commensurate to the offense that he is charged with. Your Honor cannot be making a ruling in respect of complainants whose offenses or matter is not before you. Kindly disregard my learned brother's submissions, and actually my initial instructions were to request that the accused be released on free bond, because other than being a politician, he has a known about. He stays within Kisii town, and if these officers or my colleague wishes to have him visit his office, I can actually take him there right now after you've granted our request to have him released on free bond. So disregard that application, Your Honor, kindly. Let him be released on bond, purely because my brother does not have an affidavit and nothing else in support of his arguments or submissions. Thank you.
Because we are sure, Your Honor, this is not the end of it. So, Your Honor, will be praying that you, at least, if you must give him bond terms, you benefit from a pre-bail report from the probation office before the accused can be released on bond. And Your Honor, therefore, we are praying that this court denies the complainant bond terms, albeit temporarily. I will be supplying the accused person with a copy of the charge sheet and witness statements, which are supplied to this advocate. Your Honor, I will oppose the granting of bond terms to the accused person Your Honor, for the reason that right now as we speak, we have received so many complaints concerning the accused person for related offenses of obtaining money by false pretenses, there are so many complainants out here, Your Honor, with warrants of arrest.
Mwezi wa kwanza mwaka 2023 katika mahali hapa Chumbikani, nchi ya Kenya, kwa nia ya kulaghai ulipokea kutoka kwa Mary Ogachi shilingi 13,400 ukimdanganya kuwa ungesaidia msichana wake Mildred Gekonge kumpeleka nchi ya Canada. Hiyo unajua ni uongo. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Shtaka la pili, kupokea pesa kwa njia ya udanganyifu kinyume na sheria. Maelezo ni kuwa tarehe 18 mwezi wa 4 mwaka wa 2023 katika nchi ya Kenya, ukiwa na nia ya kulaghai, ulipokea kutoka kwa Caroline Gekonge shilingi 70,000 ukimdanganya kuwa ungesaidia msichana wake Mildred Gekonge kumpeleka nchi ya Canada, kitu ambacho kilikuwa ni uongo. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Christopher umeshtakiwa na kosa la kupokea pesa kwa njia ya udanganyifu kinyume na sheria. Maelezo ni kuwa kati ya tarehe 11 mwezi wa pili mwaka